Let's do some understated, elegant, minimalist beige nails. Just kidding, you know I would never do that to you. We're gonna step into our maximalist era with the new Nail Thought Celebration collection. To get a smooth effect and a little more opaque coverage, I do a wet layer and then just float a second layer right on top. Once it's cured, do a layer of Ultra Glossy to really seal the deal and fully cure that. We're gonna use Candy Coated and Time to Party to create our flower, adding a dot in the center of the nail, sprinkle some clear acrylic on the wet gel, cure it and wipe away the excess. Using that same concept, we're gonna build out the flower. And I'm using the Nail Thoughts detailer brush. I really like it for working with the bottled gels in this way. TBD on how I feel about my acrylic powder being in a spice shaker. I don't know if I feel like it's the most efficient way to do it, but you know, if you wanna try, go for it. And just kind of work through, build your flower. Sometimes I can do a couple petals at a time, sometimes do one at a time. It really just depends on the angle and how the gel's moving. I just love the contrast of the glossy glittery background and the puffy paint kind of matte flower. So cute.